everybody. I am getting ready to go to the gym. I have not been to the gym in 2 weeks. I took a little time off because I had, well, let's see, I went out of town and then I came back and I had to get caught up on things. So Ronnie went by himself. So this is the first day back in 2 weeks. Excuse the state of the face. There's no makeup there. And I'm just, honestly, I just got done with breakfast. I just finished my second cup of coffee, so I'm kind of running kind of slow this morning, but hopefully I can pull myself together. The bus will be coming to get us here shortly, and I've got my bathing suit on, so I'm good and ready. All I got to do is put my t-shirt on and grab my gym bag and head out the door. I need to grab a snack and a couple waters. And our mask that we wear, I washed yesterday, so I don't run them through the dryer because I don't want to wear them out. My mother made them for us, and so they are on the hooks downstairs as you go out the front door, drying. So we are going to get ready and go to the gym. I am definitely going to pull this hair up into a bun. I did manage to get all my gray covered this week, which was nice. I don't have to look at that. Praise the Lord. But anyhow, if you're hearing a rumbling, it's because my AC's on. It's a very hot day today, so it is an excellent day to be at the pool. And I've got to get myself going, and I think I'm going to wash my face a little bit, put a little bit of concealer on, and get it going. So a little BB cream, a little bit of bronzer, and I'm ready to head out the door. I've got my sunglasses on my head. It's very, very sunny today. Looking forward to going to the gym. I think it'll be nice. You know, it's like you get out of a habit and then you don't go, and then you're like, oh, it's so hard to get it going again, right? But I am looking forward to going. Ronnie's in his room listening to music. We just had a quick bowl of cereal this morning, and my favorite vlogger of all times, the Witt family, she put out a weekly vlog. Now, she either did it late last night or early this morning because I missed it yesterday, but it's usually really, really long, and I cannot get through it without taking breaks, and I hate that because it's one of those vlogs that I enjoy so much that I just want my cup of coffee, a treat, and just sit and watch the entire thing. But sometimes it's like 45 minutes long. It's long. And I cannot get through it without being interrupted or having to get ready to go somewhere. I just hate that. I know, it's the stupidest thing to complain about. But anyhow, I have been watching her on and off all morning, trying to get through her vlog. I might have to actually go hide somewhere at the gym just to watch the rest of it. That's how much I love watching her. Her name is the Witt family. I think her name is Clara Witt. She has 3 kids, a little baby, 2 kids. They kind of live on a farm. They have horses and pigs and chickens and dogs, and she's very athletic. She's very energetic. I wish I had half her energy. So she has no idea. I'm not friends with her or anything. She has no idea that I'm even talking about her. She wouldn't even know who I was. But I do so enjoy her vlog. So honestly, go check her out, because you know, there are just so many wonderful vloggers, and I don't even come close to being as good as them. And I just enjoy watching them, and they inspire me to do better with my videoing. And I don't know, I just love it. I just eat it all up, and I love it. Anyhow, that's enough rambling. I'm gonna head off to the gym. I think I've got my waters. I've got 2 special K bars in my bag. I've got my bus card. I got my beach towel. I've got my hand sanitizer. I've got my mask. I got my man. Got my sunglasses, and I think we're ready to head off. Hello, baby. Hello, baby. Over the bus we go.
bumpy road.
We made it. And now I'm gonna get in the warm pool and enjoy. Well, we just got done in the pool. I got my sweetheart over here.
Just got done waiting on our bus.
He's wearing his Beatles shirt today.
Oh yeah, my favorite.
Beatles.
My favorite secular group.
Your favorite secular group?
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, I am, thanks to Mom, I took it off. See this here? It matches. I'm all color coordinated today with the mask.
Let me see. Yeah, you look good,
you
baby.
See it?
Oh yeah.
Well, anyways, we thought it was going to rain today, but it never showed up, so that was a plus. And we're waiting on the bus, which we should only be able to.
Gave us about 3 hours worth, didn't it, baby?
Yeah, we were here about 3 hours, and it was really nice. Nobody here.
But you know what? It's been a wonderful day to come to the gym. It's been a wonderful day to come to the pool and enjoy it. We got 2 of them over here, and one's a warm one, one's a cool one, and they were both
then
cool today,
we got cold, and we got into the hot tub, which was so nice. I haven't been in the hot tub for weeks, and it's so nice, wasn't it, baby?
Felt good to me.
It was really good. Well, anyways, I'll check in again. We're just waiting for the bus to pull up, and we'll be headed home. All right, our bus has showed up, and I can't get the door open.
Yeah, we got a break out.
Yeah, we do. There's our bus ride.
Still sunny.
Still sunny, yeah, you feel it? Okay, I'm turning this off now. So, I am home, and we got home a little after 4 off the bus, and then I had a cup of coffee, just relaxed for a few minutes. It didn't last long because I had to cook dinner. You ladies know what I'm talking about, or you men. So I cooked dinner, and I made shepherd's pie, and I know I have a video already on my shepherd's pie, but I have been making it differently, and this will be a new recipe, and it will be coming out sometime next week, so you guys will see it when it comes out. But anyways, it's shepherd's pie. It is so delicious. I could have ate more, but I was so stuffed. And I served it with Hawaiian rolls, and it came out really, really good. It's one of those comforting meals. It's so good. I do want to tell you guys can make it with ground turkey if you want to make it a little less fat. However, the drippings from the meat really makes it. That I will tell you. But you can make it with ground turkey, but it's going to be just a little bit on the drier side. So I'm just going to put that out there for you guys that will check that video out. I just took a bath, as you just saw. I used a bath bomb. I just decided, you know what, I'm going to come upstairs and I'm going to get in that bathtub and just chillax a little bit. And I'm glad I did. I've been having a little bit of an issue with my sciatica real bad. Hurting, if you guys know what that is. It's back pain from the devil. It is very painful. And I just, when that comes on, I have to find a place to sit and relax. And usually the bathtub is the best place because the hot water and all that, and I put Epsom salt in there, and it really does relax my muscles and help me out. I don't know what else I've got planned for today, other than you will see me and Ronnie close this vlog out before the night's over. He is downstairs on the porch. And I just took a bath, and he'll be coming up here shortly. I'm just up in my room, just taking a breather. It makes for a really long day whenever you ride the bus, because I ride the bus, we catch the bus, and then we get there, and then we were at the gym for 3 hours, and then we waited for the bus for, I want to say 22 minutes. And then we had to make 3 stops on the way home before we got to our house. So it makes for a long day because we ride a bus that is specifically for people who are blind and disabled. My husband's blind, if you don't know. And so when we ride the bus, it is time consuming because when they stop, they have to get the wheelchair lift down and all of that. And I'm not complaining about that. I'm just saying that it just makes for a really long day. So we kind of plan to have simple dinners and not a whole lot going on after the day is over, if you know what I mean, because it just kind of makes for a long day. Turned around and it is 7 o'clock already tonight. It's just hard to believe that time just gets away from us like it does. But anyways, I will catch you guys on the flip side in a little bit. I am going to honestly sit here and I'm going to watch some YouTube. Or I may watch some Heart of Dixie. I know I have said it a million times and I'll say it again. I love that show and I watch it over and over again. I usually pick up Gilmore Girls around fall time. That's like my fall show. I don't know if you guys know what I'm meaning, but I just love that. I just love Gilmore Girls in the fall. It's a fallish kind of feel kind of show to me. Anyhow, enough rambling, and I will check in a bit. Well, we thought we'd come in and close this vlog out, and of course this man was singing to me, which I totally welcome.
She loves that song.
I do love that song. He
That's
sings
one of
it
her
to
favorites.
me. Yes, I love that. Anyways, we had a wonderful day today, didn't we?
We had a very wonderful day. And I'm telling you what, a very wonderful dinner. I'll tell you what.
I was going to ask you if you liked it.
We ate that, I'll tell you what, we ate that shepherd's pie within 30 minutes. I'm going to tell you we did. And I think everyone around here loved it. I mean, it was so nice. It was lots of vegetables, lots of goodness, and it was so good it made me feel like singing tonight, didn't it? Put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. And I tell you what, it was a very wonderful day, and I just love it. But I tell you, I just love my baby. I love being able to pick on her and aggravate her.
A lot.
And
right.
That's what I'm here for.
Oh. I love this man. He's so sweet. And we had a very good day, and I'm glad you liked dinner. It came out really good. The recipe will be out either before or after this video. We'll see what happens. Hopefully before, if I can get the voiceover done.
I hope I can get some more of that here real soon.
Well, anyways, we...
had a good day at the gym.
Yes, we did.
Had a real good day at the gym. The water didn't get cold on us until 2.5 hours after we did.
Yeah, and then we went and got into the hot tub.
Yeah, that kind of cured things, didn't it?
Yeah, it made things better.
But you know what? We're getting ready to go to bed here soon. I think.
Yes, I'm tired.
I think I'm gonna go eat me some cream cheese or crackers with some her nice
chive and onion
cream cheese. I just love it on club crackers and a big glass of milk.
Yeah, I got that from Aldi. He loves that.
You might be singing again.
No, you're not. Would you quit singing? These people are going to think we're crazy.
I am.
Well, I'm crazy about you, baby.
Well, I sure love you, baby. And you know what? Thank you guys so much for watching my baby here, because you know what? She does a phenomenal job. And you guys keep encouraging her too, because she's a big encouragement to her baby over here. And you know what? I just I support her, and I'm so glad that she's doing this. And you know what? I hope that you all are really enjoying her videos, because her man sure enjoys them. And I thank her so much. She helps me.
You watch every single one of them.
I do. I watch
or
every
listen,
single
I
one.
should say.
And I love when she puts the music and.
Yeah, he likes the music in it, and he has a lot of involvement of picking out music.
She'll say, "This is country Trump" or something, you know.
Yeah, it was funny. It was some funny name, and it was really funny. And I said, "Do you like it?" And he said, "Yeah." So, you guys may not know this, but him and I, we like bluegrass.
Yes, we do.
So
we love it.
Anyhow, we are going to sign off, and we hope that you enjoyed this day in the life. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and make sure that you click on the bell so that you will get the notifications when I release new videos. I release every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. There's no set time, but it's usually in the mornings. And yeah, invite your friends and subscribe.
Well, wait, before you turn it off, one more little thing.
What?
Put your sweet lips a little closer.
Good night, guys. We are walking home from church.
Yes, it's a nice warm day to walk.
It is warm.
It is 90 plus, but we are
And I changed my shoes at church, and then we are headed home in this beautiful sun that's blinding me.
Well, I'm just as blind, so.
Yeah. And you look really nice today.
Well, you look nice too, baby.
Oh, well, thank you.
Even though I'm blind, you look good.
And my baby sang at church today, and he did a good job.